Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great weekend, and welcome to this video. On Pepe, was needed. It's been on my radar since this weekend. I mean, Pepe has been showing some great momentum since the 20th. So on Friday, there's a bit of manipulation going on, but that doesn't matter. So Pepe's quite bullish right now. I just wanted to make a video on the current situation. Can it actually rally up higher? First of all, if you take a look at where the volume is coming from, like I said, most of the volume is coming from Bika, it's coming from some Turkish sources, which usually, if that happens, it's manipulated, but that doesn't matter. And apart from that, by the way, I've also seen it in some transaction logs of Wintermute, which is a big market maker. And sometimes the cryptos that they do market making for, they tend to rally, all right? So there's some value in looking at that. What Pepe basically did is the main resistance level was right here between 6,800 and 7,000. Broke above that, or at least broke above 6,800 actually on yesterday already. Then it continued rallying, like a big spike up, a lot of momentum here. And so far, it's still bullish, all right? It has broken down below the 0.236 fib. That's not the major fib right here. I mean, there's still a lot of support right here between 7,200 and 7,300. So can it actually rally to the next price target right here around 8,000 and 8,200? That's the big question. Bitcoin surely this morning at least is still very bullish. And Pepe itself, like I said, it showed a lot of momentum this weekend. At this moment, you can still see that the open interest is very high compared to the last week, and the volume is still growing. But once you zoom in, you'll actually see that the open interest has been dropping down for about the last 5 hours, which is quite a long time, five and a half hours in which the volume also has stopped growing, and the open interest has started decreasing. So sure, technically Pepe is still bullish at this moment, but it is starting to display some signs of bearish confirmation, all right? So in my eyes, the biggest question is will it be able to break above 7,500 and 7,600 again? That's the main resistance level right now. It's not the strongest resistance level out there, but it does have the 0.618 fib, for example, of this move down. So that is what we'll see today, all right? Because what Pepe needs to do is it needs to get that bullish breakout. If it does get that, it will rally on further, all right? And then it will probably also be accompanied with more bullish momentum from Bitcoin. And then it will rally up to 8,000 and 8,200. And then from there, we'll see whether it can actually rally higher or not. So that's what we'll see today. And like I said, we have been seeing for the last couple of hours the first sort of cracks in the momentum of Pepe. So if it's not if it's not able to break above this level, or if Bitcoin starts dropping down, which due to the correlation between Pepe and Bitcoin is also relevant, then what's going to happen is that Pepe is just going to drop down towards 7,000, which is still great support, but then it has lost a lot of momentum, and then it's way more likely that it will consolidate and that it will slowly start falling down towards 6,200 again. All right, so that's my full analysis on Pepe. In short, it just needs to get that bullish breakout. And if it doesn't, in the next 24 hours, this is probably already happening. All right, so that's my take on Pepe. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, you should know I also have my own premium trading group in which I share all of my trades as signals. It's profitable, which is obviously great. But apart from that, you also have an amazing community full of traders, which you can join. And you gain access to my own trading guide. So if you actually want to earn some profits while becoming a better trader, consider joining. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great week and bye.